Hello guys, so today is Thursday, July 10. Sama kayo, mag-basketball kami sa loob ng UE, University of the East. So for this day and tomorrow, dito ako nagstay sa The Capital Towers, Rio. Mas malapit. So Espanya lang siya. So mag-jeep lang ako dyan sa harap. Ito yung Walter Mart. Yan yung condo. Okay, as always, jeep kami. 26 pesos hanggang Moraita. 26 pesos. Guys, early dinner before the game. Big Mac, as always, AJ's favorite. Use the ketchup. And McDonald's here in the Philippines have chicken and spaghetti. You like the Big Mac here? Okay, tasting the spaghetti for the first time. McDonald's spaghetti in the Philippines. I like it. When there's a cheese and the sauce. Alright, let's taste the chicken. This is my second time eating at McDonald's here. I like their chicken better than Jollibee. Don't tell the bee. Hey guys, we're here at Moraita. Picture AJ. That's Moraita. Alright, gonna go over there. Okay, bago to guys binili na ng FEU tong side na to FEU na din, Institute of Technology.
Dapat ito, 3 hours sila kumain.
Nag-expand na
Kasi para...
Okay, turning left or turning right on SH Loyola. Okay. Okay, so this is the University of the East. Arpapa side. Okay guys, we're here at the main entrance of UE and we're just waiting for my friend to pick us up, escort us in. Vlog prop.
Iba naman, mag-vlog pa.
Siyempre. Ayan, tara, ito ang aming escort. First time. Okay, papunta na kami sa hey, stop. 10th floor. Doon ba ang gym ng UE?
Ayun, na-report.
Associate din ka pala, nakita ko sa room mo.
Wala.
Di ko alam, wala ko sinasabi Siyempre, assume ko.
Kaya ba ito-brand yun?
Oo. Parang nga malaman nila sino yung kasama ko. Di ba? Ito yung gym. At, ito lang yung pagkakataon na high pro. Sino kalaban natin? Empleyado. Pocha, mga varsity yata yun Ayun may import May import pre. Tayo. Ayun, import. May exhibition. Ano ba high school? Ang mga bata to.
Ito yung
Tangkad nito
senior high.
Senior high. Sabi ko na, tangkad. Hey guys, first time ko dito sa gym ng UE.
Lucio Tan Junior Gym.
Ganon. Lucio Tan ba?
Junior.
Lucio Tan Junior Gym. Guys, we're done. Sa ilang games ba tayo? 5? 4? 5? Sa 5 games, wala kaming pinanalo. Kahit isa. Kasi bawal bawal manakit. Bawal magseryoso Hindi ko alam si Arnie pala ay associate. Ayan, dito ko pa nakita sa office niya. Ayan. Sir Arnie. Hindi naman alam ni Gerald Hindi naman dito Ayan guys, so 9:45 na. Naka 5 game. 5 game ba tayo? 6? 4? 4 lang ba yun? Kasi 40 2020 tapos may change court. Ayan guys, time to go home. Yun lahat. Nung pahuli, saka ka nakascore Bakit? Sinataman na yung kalaban. Pagod na rin. Ay, nako.